What if I told you that you can create stunning images and visually impressive videos in under 3 minutes? With RoboNeo, the next generation of AI-powered visual agents, it's now possible. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just curious, this tool will change the way you create visuals forever. RoboNeo is an AI-powered visual agent that combines design, automation, and multimedia content generation. Here are RoboNeo's most powerful features: AI image generation, video storyboards, style transfer, and multi-agent workflows. Let's create an impressive image. Go to roboneo.com and create an account or login. Write your prompt. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars, neon lights, ultra-realistic style, aspect ratio 16:9. Choose a visual style. You can select from realistic, cyberpunk, pastel, or cinematic. Click Run Agent, and in seconds, RoboNeo generates 4 image variations so you can pick your favorite. Choose your favorite and export it in high resolution. Now let's turn that image into a video. Upload your created image to start building your video. Describe your animation. Create a 10-second cinematic zoom-in from the city skyline at sunset with animated flying cars. Run the agent and preview your video. RoboNeo generates an animated storyboard ready for export. Pro tips: use clear and visual prompts for best results. Combine multiple agents for advanced projects. Get inspired by RoboNeo's public gallery. This was Tooltopia AI, where we explore the most powerful AI tools. Don't forget to subscribe.